The ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED is a slim and lightweight laptop with a 16.9mm profile and 1.39 kg design. It features a stunning 2.8K Pantone-validated OLED display, powerful Intel Core processor, and a long-lasting 75 watt-hour battery for smooth, everyday performance. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the ASUS Zenbook 14, a C-Power adapter, user manual, product overview, keyboard functions. Hotkeys. The hotkeys on your notebook PC's keyboard can trigger the following commands. Function keys. Windows keys. Keyboard shortcuts. Other keyboard shortcuts. Using the keyboard, you can also use the following shortcuts to help you launch applications and navigate windows. How to use. The ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED features a comfortable backlit keyboard with ergo-lift design, fingerprint login, and smooth key travel. Its large trackpad supports gestures and includes a built-in number pad for added convenience. The ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED features a 3K touchscreen with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and a premium viewing experience with slim bezels. The laptop features a 1080p webcam with a privacy cover and a sleek dark metallic blue design for a professional look. The backlit keyboard provides comfortable, quiet typing with good key feedback, while the built-in number pad adds extra convenience for productivity. Connect the AC adapter to either USB Type-C port on the right side. The indicator light will turn on to show the laptop is charging. Use the original charger and cable for safe charging. If using a replacement, choose a trusted 65-watt or higher adapter to protect the battery and laptop. The ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED delivers long battery life, fast charging, smooth Windows 11 performance, and Harman Kardon-tuned speakers, making it ideal for travel and daily work. Connecting to wireless networks. Wi-Fi connecting. Bluetooth connecting. Airplane mode. Smart features. The Zenbook 14 OLED uses AI-powered noise cancellation to reduce background sounds during calls, making your voice clearer in meetings. The OLED display provides deeper blacks, accurate colors, and HDR support for a more immersive viewing and editing experience. The comfortable keyboard design includes optimized key spacing, soft key response, and a quieter typing experience for long work sessions. The touchpad can transform into a digital numeric keypad, making calculations and data entry faster when needed. ASUS software allows switching between Whisper, Standard, and Performance modes to balance battery life, speed, and cooling. The laptop supports quick wake-up and secure fingerprint authentication for faster access. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your ASUS Zenbook 14. See you in the next one.